guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a spring summer look. Still -11 in Canada right now, but the sun is shining and I thought, you know what? It's just around the corner and I want to maybe do a little look for you guys. So if you guys want to see a spring inspired makeup tutorial, then stick around. All right, boo-boos, let's get into it. I don't really know what look I'm going to be doing today. I just kind of want to roll with it. I have a couple palettes I want to play with. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna do like a bold look or an ethereal look, but we'll see what happens. We'll just play around. I'm gonna zoom you in and we're gonna start with the eyes. Hi there, welcome to my face. Today I think I'm gonna play with two palettes. I have the Karity Unicorn Dreams palette, which has lots of like pastel-y colors, really pretty ethereal colors here. And then I also thought I would play with the NYX Ultimate Shadow palette, which is full of these. Oh, I'm so tempted to be bold today. We'll see, we'll see. I'm gonna prime my lids. So today I'm gonna prime my lids with the Age Rewind in the color Fair, and I'm just gonna pop that on my eyelids. And I'm just gonna blend that in with my beauty blender. Then I'm gonna set that with a loose powder. Today I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me in the color Fair. Pat that onto my lid. I'm gonna make it simple for you guys in case you want to recreate the look. I'm just gonna go in with a bronzer to start. I'm gonna go in with my Park Ave Princess palette, and I'm going to go into the color Angle, which is this color right here. I'm gonna use that and put it all in my crease. Then I'm gonna go into the color Princess Cut and go just a little lower. A little bit of more of a cool tone color. You guys can use any bronzer you like. Doesn't have to be from this palette. Then I'm gonna go into the color Enhance. And I am just going to buff that out. And I'm using the same brush. I do apologize if the lighting is a little bit weird. I have my window on this side of me, so if this side of me looks a little brighter, that's why. All right. So next up, I think I'm gonna go into the NYX palette, and I'm gonna go into this beautiful, like almost neon orange color. And I'm just going to take a regular shading brush. This one's by Morphe. I'm going to pop that into my crease as well, but a little bit lower, just below the bronzer that we applied. And then I'm gonna go in with the blending brush I used originally, and I'm going to take this color here, Enhance again, and I'm just going to buff that out. I want it to be a little brighter, so I'm gonna go back in with that neon color, and I'm just gonna stamp it onto my eye. There we go. Oh, this color is so beautiful. Cool. All right. I'm gonna quickly buff that out again. Perfect. All right, into the NYX palette again, this pink color here. I'm gonna take a flat shader brush. This is the Luxie 239 Precision Shader. Saturate my brush. This is also very bright, which I love. And I'm going to pat that onto my lid. I'm gonna go in with my Stila Magnificent Metals in the color Diamond Dust to take my Sigma Bent Liner brush, and I'm going to put a little bit of this on my hand, on the top of my hand, and I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna basically make like a cut crease just across the top of my lid. And if you have hooded eyes, you wanna make sure you're doing this above the crease so that when your eyes are open, it doesn't touch your eyelid. So basically what I'm doing is separating the two colors. You want it to kind of fade out at the ends. You can do this by using your finger. It gives it almost like an ombre effect, and you just kind of pat it outwards. The foundation I'm gonna use today is the Cover FX oh my God, I can't talk. Power Play Foundation in the color N20. My Sigma Flat Kabuki to apply this today. I love this foundation. It is so beautiful. It just looks so natural. It looks like real skin, and I appreciate that a lot. If you're out there and you have textured skin, it just makes your skin look really flawless, and you can always go in with a concealer after you apply it if you don't find that it's giving you enough coverage. but it is my holy grail foundation right now. Foundation is on, and then we're gonna go in with a concealer. So today I'm gonna use the Instant Age Rewind again in the color Fair. I don't usually spot conceal with this one, but I'm actually in quite a rush today, so we're just gonna roll with it. I'm going to set my face with my loose finishing powder. I love this Fit Me stuff, guys. It's just so good. Doesn't make your skin look cakey. So now we're gonna go in and finish the rest of the eyes. I am going to apply some shadow to my lower lash line. I haven't really decided what color I'm gonna do yet. I think like a purple would look good. We're gonna do purple. This beautiful purple color here, and a little pencil brush by e.l.f. I was at the Dollar Tree the other day and they sell e.l.f. at the Dollar Tree. I was literally shocked. It's not the best stuff. It's probably all like stock from like 1990, but still they were selling it there and I was like, what? I'm just gonna brush it outwards very lightly. You wanna make sure you really knock off the excess because you don't want it to fall underneath your eyes. I just got it on my nose. I'm gonna take that orange color again and I'm just gonna add a little bit more to the outer. And then I'm gonna take the enhanced color from my palette and just buff that out again. Okie dokie. Now we're gonna bronze. I'm gonna go in with my, of course, Park Ave Princess palette and Sigma small contour brush. Contour my nose. And I'm just taking a shader brush for this. You guys can use whatever you're comfortable with. I switch it up. I use whatever's there at the time. I'm gonna throw on a little bit of blush. I'm gonna go in with my Burts Bees blush in the color Bare Peach, which is this color here. Just a little bit to the apples of my cheeks. I'm gonna throw on some lashes today. It's been a while, but I thought this look deserved some lashes. So I'm gonna go in with some lashes. I don't have the name of them. I got them like overseas and they don't really have a name. If I can find where I purchased them, I will link them in the description box. But as of right now, I don't have a clue. I'm gonna apply my lashes first before mascara. I prefer that way just because I find I can see what I'm doing, where I'm placing them better. It has been so long since I put on false lashes. I feel so weird. And these ones have like a thick black band, so it's like a little bit more difficult to... I guess I should do my eyebrows. They're looking a little peaked. Let's do the brows. I'll go in with my Milani Stay Put brow color in the color Natural Taupe. I love that brow pomade. It's actually really good, especially for the price. You cannot go wrong. And I'm just using my Sigma Small Angle E65 brush to do this. This is my favorite brush to do my eyebrows with. All right, the eyebrows are done. They don't look very good, but let's just ignore them. Now let's throw on some mascara. I'm gonna go in with my BadGal Bang by Benefit. I love this mascara. Now we're gonna apply some highlighter. Today I'm gonna go in with the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Vanilla Quartz. This here, it's so beautiful. I thought it would be perfect for this look. Oh yes, baby. Now I'm gonna throw in a little bit of lipstick. I'm gonna keep it nude today. I'm gonna go in with the Tom Ford Lip Color Matte in the color Heavenly Creature. We're gonna add some setting spray. Today I'm gonna go in with the Milani Make It Dewy. I love this stuff. Smells so good. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun doing this look. I hope you guys recreate it. If you do, you can add me on Instagram and show me your pictures. I'd love to see you guys recreate this look. I'm really glad I did this. I think it's super fun to start getting into the spring looks. There's so many colors and palettes and there's so many things you can play with in spring and summer, so I am super excited to start getting into color. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.